This is what happy looks like right here. Fresh water in there, and boy, that duck is just happy as anything. Y'all go on now. I gotta go in here and feed these guys. Y'all need to go on. Go, go, come on, go. You ain't getting in here. Y'all don't even get in the water. Oh boy, is she happy. They think every time I open this gate that they're gonna get some. No. You're gone. We got horse flies. Good. I just slapped myself in the wee-wee because of horse flies on it. I'm gonna do this. Stay in there, Ethel. Get you set up. Y'all go on now. Now these goats try to get in here, man. She's gonna go after them. You watch. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Huh? Are y'all ready? Look at that. Woo! You getting me wet. You're getting me wet. Why are you getting me wet? Why are you doing that? How are you getting me wet? Don't get me wet. I'm not a duck. Yeah, you don't get me wet, big girl. Look at hey. Chill out. I know you're happy, but damn, chill out. Chill. Oh, okay. So it's like that, huh? It's like that, huh? Go on. Now watch these Democrats try to come in here. See? They try to open that gate, that duck's gonna get on. She's gonna get on them. I'll do this one-handed. Not very easy. But you watch. What? You're happy, aren't you? You're a hella happy girl, I'll tell you that much. Don't be splashing me. I have to go cut the water off. All right now. Boy. Good God, she's happy. How she does just run around flapping her wings and just woo! That is definitely a happy duck. And jump back in there. Get in there. Get it. Get in there. Get it. I do this one-handed because we got back from the doctor and had acupuncture on my right arm and left arm, left, right, I don't know, this arm, one I'm holding the phone with. Go and get in there. And I don't know what's going on. We got a line down here. See that line right there? The phone line or something that's all the way down there. And it's falling down. And I'm like, that better not be an electrical line, because if it is, any of my goats get killed or animals get hurt because of that crap. And I'm going to be suing the city or the county or whatever. And, I don't know if it's a phone line or what, but falling down the yard down there, they got it propped up on a pole down there, and it's just It's a mess. Anyway, that's it. I got something I'm going to show y'all in here real quick. Got to give a little shout out to a friend of mine, Beverly Randolph. Come on, Lisa. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're gonna go out. You're not coming in. You're gonna stay outside. No. Stay out. Stay out. There's only one dog allowed in time. Okay. I'll do a little shout out from my friend Beverly Randolph here. Sent me a package with a nice note in it, and then sent me a couple of photos. There's one right here. If you want to party. And then here's another one. This one's going up in my shop. I like this one. So there you go. Thank you very much, Beverly. I really appreciate it. Oh, and there's a little something else too. There's a little pin. I don't know what I'll do this. I'll probably get like one of my baseball caps and put it in there. And she got a little hat pin. And I'll probably do that, the hat pin. So thank you very much, Beverly Randolph. I appreciate that very, very much. I was glad to do that Tom Man for you. And I'm going to hang this, I'm going to frame these. Frame this and hang this in my workshop, and I'm going to frame this and hang this next to the Apollo Creed photo in my back bedroom. So I appreciate that, Beverly. Thank you so much. And I'll take a photo of it and post it up.